All Parties Hurriyat Conference has renewed its call for the unity among ranks and files of the Kashmiri people to achieve a peaceful resolution of the Kashmir dispute and to reclaim the fundamental rights snatched by the BJP-led Indian government in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued after a meeting of the APHC leaders in Srinagar, said the current political and democratic challenges facing occupied Kashmir were also discussed in the meeting. Operation Blue Star, the code name of the Indian Army's 1984 assault on the Golden Temple, the sixth holiest shrine in Amritsar, was a brazen act of the state-sponsored terrorism against the Sikh community. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the tragic anniversary of the incident, India's assault on the Golden Temple was not just a military action, it was a calculated genocide of the Sikhs. Thousands of the innocent Sikhs were butchered between June 2 and 10, 1984, as tanks rolled into the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has called upon the Pakistani delegation visiting the United States to launch a campaign aimed at building pressure on India to release all the Kashmiri political detainees languishing in jails of India and occupied Kashmir during meetings with the US leadership. The DFP acting chairman Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a letter addressed to Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, chairman of the Pakistan's People Party, who is leading the Pakistan delegation, drew his attention to the continued and unlawful detention of thousands of the Kashmiris arrested by the Indian authorities both prior to and following the events of 5th August 2019. Raman Bhalla, working president of the Congress Occupied Kashmir chapter, has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party is exploiting Operation Sindoor for the vote bank politics. Bhalla, during a tour to Nai Basti area in Jammu, alleged that the BJP was using the operation for political gain. Bhalla stressed the need to address the concerns of the locals. Civil society in occupied Kashmir has stressed that the Kashmir dispute is the main cause of tension between Pakistan and India, and two countries should resolve it through a peaceful dialogue process to defuse the warlike situation in the region. Civil society members in a meeting in Srinagar called for the restoration of the Articles 370 and 35A in their original form, an end to atrocities and immediate solution to the Kashmir disputes in line with the United Nations resolutions.